Hello friends, welcome to the World Air Forces. Spanish Air and Space Force. Founded 28 February 1913. Combat aircraft. Eurofighter Typhoon, origin Europe, type multi-role, in service 68. FA-18 Hornet, origin United States, type multi-role, in service 72. Maritime Patrol Aircraft. CAS C-212, origin Spain, type Maritime Patrol, in service 3. CAS CN-235, origin Spain, type Maritime Patrol, in service 8. P-3 Orion, origin United States, type Anti-Submarine Warfare, in service 3. Electronic Warfare Aircrafts. Falcon 20, origin France, type Electronic Warfare, in service 1. Aerial Firefighting Aircrafts. Bombardier CL-215, origin Canada, type Water Bomber, in service 14. Bombardier CL-415, origin Canada, type Water Bomber, in service 3. Transport aircraft. CAS C-212, origin Spain, type Transport, in service 8. CAS C-295, origin Spain, type Transport, in service 20. Dassault Falcon 900, origin France, type VIP Transport, in service 5. Airbus A310, origin Europe, type VIP Transport, in service 2. Airbus A400M, origin Europe, type Tactical Airlift, in service 11. Cessna Citation 5, origin United States, type Utility, in service 3. King Air, origin United States, type Utility, in service 3. Helicopter. Eurocopter AS-332, origin Europe, type Combat Search and Rescue, in service 12. NHI NH-90, origin Europe, type Utility, in service 3. Sikorsky S-76, origin United States, type Utility, in service 8. Trainer aircrafts. CAS C-101, origin Spain, type Jet Trainer, in service 57. T-35, origin Chile, type Primary Trainer, in service 34. Pilatus PC-21, origin Switzerland, type Advanced Trainer, in service 24. Northrop F-5, origin United States, type Jet Trainer, in service 19. FA-18 Hornet, origin United States, type Conversation Trainer, in service 12. Eurocopter EC-120, origin France, type Rotorcraft Trainer, in service 15. unmanned aerial vehicles. MQ-9A, origin United States, type medium altitude, long range unmanned aerial vehicle in service force.